This the sthyil 180. It's quite simple. Supposing it won't work. Okay, this is your air filter. Clean that up with some petrol or clutch cleaner. This here is your air filter here. If you look down here, alright, see those two nuts there? Okay, one there, point out there, okay, there, and there. Take them off, okay, and then what you do is you pull this gently, wiggle this like that, back and forth about 5 times, 10 times, slide it back and forth until it releases, okay, and then this isn't joined, okay. This trigger is joined down there and it sometimes comes off, okay. You can easily put that back on, it slots in, and once you pull this out, okay, you haven't got to touch that or that. This will wiggle out once you get those off. Then there's a filter with 4 little screws on top, okay, right here. Undo the screws and you'll see a filter. It'll have like wood chippings and dust and stuff, okay. You just clean that all off, spray it through with some carb cleaner, okay. Slide this back on, right. Then what you do, when you've done that, okay, you do those two nuts, okay, and this is your spark plug. You can take that out, put it in, hold it with a pair of pliers against there, pull the cord, see if there's a spark. You know, that's so simple. This is your magneto wire here, okay. If there's no spark, you have to change the magneto there. Alright, about 30 quid, something like that. Then this here, you put those back on 2 nuts, obviously not doing too tight, just hand tight, okay. You pop this back on like so, and that's your job done then. Alright, see this here, pop this back like that, holds it on place. It's so simple. Right, take this out, and of course you sharpen your blade there at a 45-degree angle with your file, the right size file. Simple thing, you just undo these, put your oil in there, use old engine oil in there. If it's not thin enough, put a tiny bit of petrol in with it, and your petrol mix in there, 150 to the oil and petrol. Okay, pop this down to the bottom, then start it up. And we'll get on with cutting the rest of these trees down. This little saw is capable of taking all these trees down, okay. It's like garden trees. So I'll finish off the video, I think. 5 minutes, just a little bit of cutting of trees. made the trees. Made us to trim them in a certain way so they don't become a nuisance. They all grow old like trees. They have to be chopped down when they get a nuisance. We all get chopped down. We get old. Whatever it is. I pointed into man once today, but after this they're done for it. So the world stays finished. Believe in him, we have everlasting life. Unlike these trees.